Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we have to discuss income statement. Okay, so let's see what is income statement. Now, income statement was previously called in CIE, sorry, okay, previously it was called, this income statement was called trading, trading profit and loss previously. Okay, now income statement consists of two accounts basically. Okay, one is called trading account and the other is called profit and loss account. If we divide it into two, it would be called, previously it was called trading profit and loss account because it contains two accounts. Number one, trading account, and number two, profit and loss account. Getting my point clear? So income statement has two sections. One is called trading account, other is called profit and loss account. Today we are going to discuss trading account actually. Today's topic is trading account, profit and loss. Inshallah, we'll discuss today. Trading. One more thing before starting trading, we should know that income statement is not based on ownership. Income statement has nothing to do with whether the business belongs to a sole proprietor or it's a partnership business or it is a joint stock company. Trading profit and loss account or income statement is based on nature of business. Getting my point clear? Depends upon nature of business. Okay, now suppose we have manufacturing business. Okay, so we have, in case of manufacturing business, we have trading account, and then we have second part, that is profit and loss account. Okay, Achha, suppose we are in merchandising business. Buying and selling. Again, we have, in merchandising business, we have two portions. First is called trading account, and second is called profit and loss account. Okay. Suppose we are in service business or profession. Again, we have trading. Okay. In service business, we have only profit and loss account, no trading account. Getting my point clear? So, your income statement is based on manufacturing business or merchandising business or service business. It has nothing to do with the ownership of the business, sole proprietor or partner or joint stock company, nothing like that. Okay, it only depends upon nature of business. Manufacturing, okay, we have to make trading account, profit and loss account. Merchandising, we have to make trading account, profit and loss account. Service, we have to make only profit and loss account. Getting my point clear? So today we are going to discuss trading account of merchandising business and manufacturing. So we'll start with trading account of manufacturing business. Getting my point clear? Okay. See, now trading account it can be formed in statement form or T account form. Students of CIE, they should know how to make trading account in statement form and in T account form, both. It's very necessary for them. See, okay. Now this is T account in standard form, date, description, debit, date, description, credit. Done. Now we have to make a trading account of manufacturing business in T account form, then we'll make it in statement form. Done? Okay. Now consider this manufacturing account we made. Okay. Now here we are not going to discuss this factory profit. Okay. Just to understand what is trading account, I am not considering this part. Okay. That was only for A levels. We are just concerned about making the trading account. And this factory profit and everything I'll explain it in. Well, I will be doing manufacturing for A levels, inshallah I will explain further. Okay. Now, in this situation, what are the items of income statement? Sales, sales returns. Okay. Now sales is going to be created. Yeah. Getting my point clear? Sales. How much was the sale amount of sales? That was 3,200,000. This is 3,200,000. Got it? I think I should decrease it. Now, sales on credit side. All other items which are related to cost, they are on debit side. Now, what are the items? Finished goods, inventory, finished goods, inventory. Okay. This inventory is so the date of inventory. This is opening inventory. The finished goods inventory opening is given as 80,000. 1st April 2008. That is 1,408. Got it? Finished goods inventory 80,000. Okay. Then cost of goods manufactured, cost of production. Okay. Not cost of goods transferred. Okay. We are not considering it like this. Okay. Because actually factory profit is another difficult topic for A levels. We'll discuss sometime else. Just see and just take it as this production stops as cost of production, not fit the factory profit. Okay. So 1,170,000 cost of goods manufactured, COP, cost of production or cost of goods manufactured. It is going to be debited, and that was how much? 1,170,000. 1,170,000. Got it? Okay. Now, cost of production. Okay. It might be possible that you have here sales return, but sales return I think is not given in this question. Sales returns, just for reminding you I am putting the amount with a zero. Okay. Finished goods purchased. Sometimes what happens, an organization, they purchase finished goods also from outside. Finished goods, they don't manufacture it. So that finished goods purchase should be added. But here it is zero. Just I'm writing for your, just for you to remember. Okay. Done. Now, what else? Finished goods, inventory, that is on 31st March 08. Getting my point clear? 31st March 08. So how much is the amount of ending inventory of finished goods? Ending inventory finished goods is 170,000. 170,000. So get the totals. Here, this will be 3,370,000 minus all the debits. That is 80,000 plus 1,170,000. 12,000. 1250 is your balance CD. 1,250,000. Okay, this is your balance CD. This balance CD is actually your gross profit. I'm getting my point clear. Okay, so here we have 3,370,000. Got it? So this is gross. This balance sheet is actually the gross profit. Okay. Now this would become balance BD for profit and loss account. Okay. Balance BD for profit 1,250,000. Now this is your gross profit, and this gross profit is, this is your gross profit. And now all the expenses will be reported here. Now, from while moving minus brought down of gross profit, we start working on profit and loss account, and we'll discuss profit and loss account in our next video. Okay. Getting my point clear? So let me check all the accounts again. 3,200,000 plus 170,000. 3,377,000 left, right is equal, minus 80,000 minus 11,000, 1,170,000. Minus is 212,000. Oh. I have to move. Sorry. 212. So 2,120,000. Sorry, class. Oh my God. Sorry. Minus. Okay. अच्छा वो check कर लियो, तुम लोग भी check कर लेना एग्जाम. Okay. Now, okay. So this is how we make a trading account. Getting my point clear? Debit minus credit, and this is your gross profit. Or the thing we left here is control V, control U. This is control. Okay. So that is the end of trading account in T account. Now we'll make T account in standard form. Now table. Income statement. No, sorry, trading account. trading account and okay, what we have to do actually. Now, first step is to take sales. Okay, sales is how much? 3,200,000. 3,200,000. Okay, getting my point clear. Now, what we have to do? We have to less here sales returns. Okay, we have sales return 0. So what we do? We'll report net sales over here 3,200,000. Ah, this is your net sales. In this question, we do not have sales return, but for your memory, keep it in your memory. For your please remember now heading cost of sales. This is our heading, and I'm changing the color of cost of sales. Cost of sales. Now, acha, finished goods, opening inventory, or finished goods on 1st April 2008. Now, here the amount of opening inventory was 80,000. Now, cost of production. Cost of production is how much? 1,170,000. Okay. Now, finished goods, closing inventory, 31st March 2009. That is how much? Closing inventory 170,000. 100 and should keep it in the bracket. 170,000. Done. So what would be the amount of cost of sales? Yeah. Cost of sales, that would be how much? 80,000 plus 1,170,000 minus 170,000. 1,080,000. It should be kept in bracket because we have to deduct it. This is your cost of sales. Okay. Now here comes your okay. So 3,212,000 is what it is. Yeah? So 2,112,000 is your gross profit. So the number. Okay. Disappear over. Got it? This is how we make trading account of manufacturing. Are you getting my point clear? This is And these two items, actually I've added it, sales return, finished goods purchases. So you can add here finished goods purchases. Here are some before finished goods you can add. So it's not available, so I left it. This is how trading account is made in statement form, and this is how we make in T account form. Are you getting my point here? Now class, here we are going to make trading profit, trading account of merchandising business. See, this is a trial balance of a merchandising business. Okay. What are the items? First, we have to learn how to make it in statement form. See, I've already made it. Sales less sales returns gives you net sales. Then cost of sales, opening stock, purchases, purchase returns, return outwards, net purchases, carriage inwards, cost of goods available for sale, closing stock, cost of sales, gross profit. This is how we make a trading account of a merchandising business in statement form. It is already made here. Okay, now we will discuss how to make trading account, trading account in account form. Okay. So this is a T account. Okay. Now, sometimes they ask you some questions of trading or profit and loss account in T account form in your MCQs. So the one who knows how to make a profit and loss or trading account in account form, even we can make balance sheet in account form also. Are you getting my point clear? We can make a balance sheet over here. Okay. So this is a trading account of this is a trading account, okay, of merchandising business. Trading account of merchandising business. Okay. Now see, okay, we need to increase the size. See. Now what we have to do, now, give date, description, debit, date, description. Okay, now what we have to take here? We have to take here sales, okay, inventory closing, inventory at the end of the year. So what is amount of sales? 1 million. Okay, a very big question. 1,116,000. Okay. So here 1,116,000. मुझे पता था ये. Okay. 1,116,000 is amount of sales. Okay. Now what is the amount of closing stock? Closing stock is 130,000. Here it is. Closing stock, inventory or closing stock on 31st. What was the date? I forgot. 31st December 2006. 31st 12/06. Amount was 130,000. Got it? Now, what I do, I need to पहले से हम लोग कर लेते हैं ताकि ये मसला ना हो. Cell alignment. Now inventory 130,000. So what else we have to take here? Sales returns. Yes. Sales returns. No. Purchase returns. Actually. Purchase returns. 19,320. Purchase returns. Okay. Purchase returns. What was the amount of purchase returns? That was 19,320. 19,320. Got it? Please learn how to make income statement, the part of income statement trading account of merchandising business, manufacturing business in account form and the statement form. Okay. Now come here. Here we'll write sales returns. Okay. We'll write inventory. Which one? First is January 2006. Okay. Then we'll write purchases. Then we'll write carriage invoice. Got it? What else? Purchases. Opening stock. Okay. Now see. Sales returns is how much? Sales return is 12,300. So we'll report it here. 12,300 sales returns. Okay. What about opening stock 142080? 142080. What about purchases? 712440. Don't take net purchases, okay? Total purchases. 71244. Okay. What was the amount of carriage inwards? 18,600. 18,600. Got it? Now get the totals. 111,600 plus 130,000 plus 19,320. The total is 1,265,320. Minus 12,300 minus 142,080 minus 712,440 minus 18,600. 379,900. 379,900. Yes, gross profit. 379,900 is your balance CD. This means your gross profit. Are you getting my point here? So that makes the total here 1,265,320. Now, what we'll do, we'll write balance BD means gross profit. We are transferring gross profit for actually trading profit and loss account. Sorry, profit and loss account 379,900. And you know how to make it in in a statement form is easy. Report sales, deduct sales return, you will get net sales. Okay, cost of sales, you have opening stock. Purchases, you have to deduct purchase returns from purchases, you get net purchases. And carriage inward. So 3 items in the second column. Opening stock, net purchases and carriage inwards. When you add them, you get 8,533,800. That is cost of goods available for sale. If you deduct closing stock from cost of goods available for sale, you will get cost of sales 723,800. It's from net sales, deduct cost of sales 723,800 and get gross profit 379,900. Got it? This is how trading account is made in statement form, and we have learned how to make trading account in T account form. So please be careful. Sometimes they ask you MCQs which are based on trading account in account form, not in statement form. Getting my point? So that's all for today. Kindly subscribe my channel. If you want me to solve something for you, give me a comment. I'll solve it for you. Okay, tomorrow, inshallah, we'll continue with our profit and loss account. So take care. Allah Hafiz.